Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I want to share some valuable script writing tips for all you content creators out there. First tip, always start with a strong hook to grab the viewer's attention right from the start. Whether it's a compelling question, shocking statement, or intriguing story, make sure it pulls the audience in. Second tip, focus on a clear and concise structure for your script. Break it down into an intro, body, and conclusion. This will help keep your content organized and easy to follow. Next, make sure your script is conversational and relatable. Speak as if you were talking to a friend, and don't be afraid to inject your personality into your writing. Lastly, always remember the importance of editing and rewriting. Don't be afraid to trim the fat and refine your content to make it the best it can be. By following these script writing tips, you'll be well on your way to creating engaging and impactful content for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.